These types of miniature videos are getting millions of views on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. Today, I will show you the easiest way ever to make these types of videos. First, go to chatgpt.com to generate the prompts. I already have a few prompts and I'm going to try from these. Go to piclumen.com. Sign in with your email. Click to create. Paste your prompts here. Check out the description for all the prompts and essential links. Click here to select the size. I'm selecting vertical size according to YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Click here to generate 2 images at a time. The image model will be Piclumen Art V1. Click here to generate. Download the image from here you liked. Now search for the Kling. Go to this link. Click on AI videos. Upload your photo from here. Sign in with your email. Just write "animate this image" as the prompt to make it animate. Click here to generate. Wait a little moment to complete the process. Here is the result. Click here to download the video. To add copyright-free sound effects, go to pixabay.com. Select the sound effects. Write the subject here to search according to your videos. Click to listen. Download the sound from here. Let's add the sound to the video. You can use any video editor. I'm continuing with Canva. Select the video option. Click on TikTok videos. Upload the video and sound from the Upload button. Import the video to the timeline. Drag and place the audio to the timeline. Click here to download the various quality. Here is the final result. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.